Meantime, insurance premiums for sinkholes like this one about to go sky high. Could it price you maybe out of house and home? We told you earlier this week the state-backed Citizens, you know them, the insurance group, they're raising their rates for sinkhole coverage.
Yeah, and we're talking not just a small increase, up to 400%. That's huge. So what effect would this have on the housing market? Mike Synan with more on the ripple effect.
So it's not really a full-fledged sinkhole, but you get my point. There are plenty of sinkholes in the state of Florida, and your insurance to cover those sinkholes is going up. In fact, it's going way up. Some people are wondering what the net effect on the housing market and our economy is going to be once those rates do skyrocket.
You've seen the big ones like in Leesburg, but sinkholes are actually less common in the Orlando area than on the Gulf Coast, and State Rep Scott Randolph says we'll all pay.
It's a shame that Central Florida policyholders are going to get hit for really a problem that's been in the Tampa Bay area, north of Tampa Bay. So those sinkhole policy increases are really because of the problems over there.
And the maps back him up. As you can see on the state map, the Gulf Coast dominates. Randolph thinks this is very bad news for an already bad housing market.
Not only people already in the houses, but the people trying to buy houses. I mean, you're looking at a market that the private market's allowing 40–50% increases. You know, and if you continue that on, people are just going to go, look, I can't afford to buy.
In this map, you'll see barely any sinkholes east of downtown Orlando.
Any type of action that the state legislature does that significantly increases insurance rates right now are going to drive us further into a recession, with housing playing such a huge part of the Florida economy.
Rates will increase. How much? Depends on where you live. Mike Synan, Fox 35 News.
Senator Mike Synan from the Tampa area is requesting a hearing be held before Citizens is allowed to increase its rates. They've even outlined the increase that some customers could experience again if this takes effect. According to their estimates for Orange County, Orlando residents, the rates would increase from $3 to $70. For parts of Volusia County, the price goes from $5 to $15 and from $7 to $66 for some other parts in the Central Florida area.